Hello. I'd like to go over a few of the things that you can do here in Propeller. So this project that we have pulled up is a subdivision, Thibodaux, Louisiana, Old Town. So what we have pulled up right here, this is the drone flight, and I have imported a layer which is called the Finish Grade DXF. Okay, so I put overlaid the line work on top of the drone flight, and I also put the design surface in here as well. So we flew the site. We flew the site on 21/04/08 and captured existing conditions. So what I just did was, you see this is blue. I created a measurement. So I basically just took and I traced this block of lots here. If we go here to measure, the way you would do that, you go to measure, you can select a point, you can select a line, which will allow you to do a cross section. So to do that, pull straight across here. It's going to generate us some information down here, a cross section. I'm going to add, so the yellow is going to be our drone flight. I will add our finished grade design. And this is what finished grade is, the dotted line. That's our finished grade. This is where you have to be to achieve the project. Now, the extreme high and low points is because the scale is set that way. It's easier to see your differences with the scale switch turned on, or off rather. So that is a cross section. The next thing I did was a volume comparison. So what we did, what I did was created a measurement right here, lots, like that one. And if you hover your cursor over the area, over the heat map, you will see it gives you an elevation. It gives you a fill of 1 foot and 1400s right here. And right here you notice we have a cut. Fill and a cut. Here on the report, you get a total readout, so we're comparing latest design. You get a cut, a fill, a net, and a total. So what we're looking for is really the net. So in this particular block right here, you have to place 4,577 cubic yards. So to show you another measurement, got this little L shape here. This is lots, on one side, on two sides here. And this particular area, it looks like you got about 5,000 cubic yards to place in here. And all you have to do really is just hover your mouse around, and you can kind of look and see what your fills are, and what your cuts may be. Now this is to achieve finish grade. So we can take and do another measurement. We'll do you can do distance, you can do all kinds of things in here, pull angles. So we'll do a cross section view. Again, let's say we'll just do a short one from here to here. Go up through one of the lots. We're going to add our finished grade design. And this is what it looks like. So in an ideal situation, you would want to have some earthwork progress. So as your project is making way and you're completing work, go ahead and have your site flown, and so this will help you to track your quantities. So you can get really creative with the measurements, whatever you're looking for. And we can go right here. We'll go ahead and cover, we'll look at the processing report. The processing report is going to show us how accurate this site, the flight is. Okay. Shows us our image quality. This is the expected control, ground control accuracy, 5/8 of an inch. And this right here is the total for your accuracy on the job. So 6/100ths of a foot. So that's pretty accurate. So we can close this out, and I'll show you how to generate a measurement report. So to generate a measurement report, you highlight whatever items. Right here you check them. Whatever items that you want to generate a report for, go to reports, measurement report. Download the report. This usually just takes a couple minutes. And this right here kind of give you a little brief overview of it. But we're going to do the download full report. And it is down here. This is it. So it'll give us all the information we're looking for. The date it was flown, the date this report was generated. So you see A, B, C, and D. Those are the particular measurements that I created in Propeller. So our report is going to reflect those measurements. So we got a couple of cross sections and a couple of volume comparisons. So here's where it's going to show. It's going to break down in a spreadsheet format your fill, your cut, your net yards. And it will break down each. It will show you a picture, a diagram, and give you the information per measurement. And this right here, you get a nice little heat map, if you will, and it's going to give you your cuts and fills. This is really good information to supply to your general contractor or your engineer. And some users use this to actually bill for their work. And they'll fly it once every couple of weeks or once a month. That's a cross section. Just a little representation, a little picture of it.